Sri Gurubhyo Namaha, children. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. See, this is 12th standard maths, state board, chapter 11, probability, exercise 11.3. First sum, the probability density function of x. What is probability density function? If f of x is said to be a probability density function, if x belongs to probability density function, f of x is said to be a probability density function. If x belongs to the closed interval a comma b of a continuous random variable of x, then p of a less than or equal to x less than or equal to b equal to integral a to b f of x dx. Integral a to b f of x dx. If it is probability density function, if f of x is a probability density function, then integral minus infinity to plus infinity f of x dx equal to 1. F of x dx equal to 1. Suppose if it is cumulative distribution function, capital F of x equal to integral minus infinity to integral f of x equal to integral minus infinity to x in f of u into du, f of u into du. Now we move on to the sum. The probability density function of x is given by f of x equal to kx e power minus 2x for x greater than 0. Find the value of k. See, f of x is a probability density function. F of x is a probability density function. Therefore, integral minus infinity to plus infinity f of x dx equal to 1. See, it is given as 0 elsewhere, 0 when x less than or equal to 0. So you can take the limit 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity. What is f of x? K x power e power minus 2x into dx equal to 1 by gamma integral. Know the formula. What is the formula for gamma integral? By gamma integral 0 to infinity, by gamma integral 0 to infinity x power n e power minus ax into dx equal to n factorial by a power n plus 1, n factorial by a power n plus 1. So it gives k into integral 0 to infinity x power 1, n value is 1, e power minus ax, a value is 2, dx equal to 1. So k into n factorial is nothing but what? 1 factorial by a value is 2 power 1 plus 1 equal to 1. K into 1 by 2 square. 1 by 2 square equal to 1 by 2 square equal to 1. K into 1 by 4 equal to 1. K equal to 4. The value of, you can bring that 4 to the right hand side. The value is 4. So the value of k equal to 4. Now we move on to the second sum. See the second sum. The probability density function is given f of x equal to x, where 0 less than x less than 1 and 2 minus x 1 less than or equal to x less than 2 and 0 otherwise. See the limit p of 0.2 less than or equal to x less than 0.6. So probability density function means integral p of a less than or equal to x less than or equal to b, integral 0.2 to 0.6, 0.2 to 0.6. So it lies in the interval 0.2 to 0.6. It lies in the interval 0 to 1. So you can take the value x, f of x dx equal to integral 0.2 to 0.6 x into dx. So what is the integration of x? X square by 2, x square by 2, x square by 2, the limit is 0.2 to 0.6, 0.2 to 0.6. So 1 by 2 you can take it out. Upper limit minus lower limit, minus lower limit, upper limit minus lower limit. So 1 by 2 into 0.6, the whole square is nothing but 0.36 minus 0.04 minus 0.04. So it gives 1 by 2 into 0.32. 0.32. When we cancel the value, what is the answer? The answer is 0.16. P of 0.2 less than or equal to x less than 0.6 equal to 0.16. See the next subdivision. See the next subdivision. P of 1.2 less than or equal to x less than 1.8 equal to integral 1.2 to 1.8, 1.2 to 1.8 f of x into dx, 1.2 to 1.8 f of x into dx. See the value in f of x, in f of x. So it lies in this interval 1.2 to 1.8. So it lies in the interval 2 minus x, 2 minus x into 2 minus x into dx. See the power of the x power is 1. So you can apply the formula integral x power n into dx. So it gives x power n plus 1, 2 minus x whole power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 into x coefficient minus 1. You can write it in the denominator. So what is the value? 1.22. The limit is 1.8. So 2 minus x the whole square, 2 minus x the whole square by 2 into minus. The limit is 1.2 to 1.8, 1.2 to 1.8. So you can take it as minus 1 by 2 out. Upper limit is 2 minus 1.8 the whole square minus lower limit is 2 minus 1.2 the whole square. Upper limit minus lower limit. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into it gives minus 1 by 2 into 2 minus 1.8 is nothing but what? 0.2 the whole square. 2 minus 2 minus 1.8 is 0.2 the whole square. 2 minus 1.2 is 0.8 the whole square. 0.8 the whole square. So minus 1 by 2 into 0.04 minus 0.64, 0.04 minus 0.64. It gives minus 1 by 2 into minus 0.60. So minus into minus plus. So 0.60 by 2. The answer is 0.30. The answer is 0.30. When we cancel, the answer is 0.30. Now you move on to the next subdivision. P of 0.5 less than or equal to x less than 1.5. So less than or equal to x less than 1.5, you can take the value 0.5 to integral 0.5 to 1 f of x dx, because 0.5 to 1.5. See the sum? 0.5 to 0.5, in between 0.5 to 1.5 in between. So you can split up the term 0.5 to 1 plus integral 1 to 1.5 into f of x into dx. So 0.5 to 1, integral 0.5 to 1 x dx plus integral 1 to 1.5, 1 to 1.5, that f of x equal to 1 to 1.5, f of x equal to, what is the value of f of x? 2 minus x into dx, 2 minus x into dx. So see here, integral 0.5 to 1 f of x is nothing but x, f of x is nothing but x into dx, x into dx plus integral 1 to 1.5, 2 minus x into dx, 2 minus x into dx. So x, integration of x is x square, x square by 2, the limit is 0.5 to 1 plus 2 minus x the whole square, because the x degree is 1, by x coefficient you can write it down into 2, n plus 1 by n plus 1, the limit is 1 to 1.5. So x square by 2, the limit is 0.5 to 1 minus plus minus 2 minus x the whole square by 2, the limit is 1 to 1.5, the limit is 1 to 1.5. So see the upper limit minus lower limit, 1 by 2 you can take it out commonly. So what is the remaining thing? Upper limit 1 square minus 0.5 the whole square minus, see here, 2 minus 1.5, 2 minus 1.5 the whole square minus 2 minus 1 the whole square, 2 minus 1 the whole square, 2 minus 1.5 the whole square, 2 minus 1 the whole square, 2 minus 1 the whole square. So 1 by 2 into 1 minus 0.25, 0.25, 1 minus 0.25, here 0.5 the whole square minus 1 square, 0.5 the whole square minus 1 square, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 0.75, 0.75, here 0.25 minus 1 plus 0.75, 0.75, 1 by 2 into 2 into 0.75. So 2 get cancelled. So the answer is 0.75. So the answer is 0.75. Third sum. Suppose the amount of milk sold daily at a booth is distributed with a minimum of 200 liter and a maximum of 600 liter with the probability density function. First, you should find out the value of K. Since it is probability density function, since probability, it is probability density function. So integral minus infinity to plus infinity f of x dx equal to 1. So integral, the limit 600 to limit 200 to 600, 200 to 600, f of x is nothing but what? K into dx equal to 1. K you can take it out, integral 200 to 600 dx equal to 1. K into x, limit 200, 200 to limit 200, 200 to 600 equal to 1. So upper limit minus lower limit, upper limit minus lower limit equal to 1, k into 400 equal to 1, k equal to 1 by 400, k equal to 1 by 400. Next, we move on to the next subdivision. See, distribution function. Distribution function means what? F of x equal to capital F of x equal to integral minus infinity to x f of t dt, f of t dt. So you can write when x belongs to, when x belongs to minus infinity comma 200, minus infinity comma 200, f of x equal to, f of x equal to minus infinity to x f of t dt, f of t dt, f of t dt. But there is no values in between these values. See here, k, it lies in the interval 200 to 600 only. So it gives integral minus infinity to x. F of t is nothing but what? 0 into dx. So the answer is 0. So when x belongs to, next, when x belongs to, when x belongs to the closed interval 200 comma 600, when x belongs to the closed interval 200 comma 600, f of x equal to integral minus infinity to x f of t dt, f of t dt. So it gives integral, integral, integral minus infinity to, integral minus infinity to 200 f of t dt plus 200 to x plus 200 to x f of t dt, 200 to x f of t dt. So this value is 0 because there is no value lies in this interval. So we can consider this alone. See here, integral 0 plus 0 plus integral 200 to 200 to x k into dt. So integral 200 to x, k value is nothing but what? 1 by 400 into dt. So 1 by 400 you can take it as constant out, 200 to x into dt, 200 to x into dt. So it gives 1 by 400 into t, limit 200 to x. So 1 by 400 into upper limit minus lower limit, upper limit minus lower limit, x by 400, x by 400 minus 200 by 400, x by 400 minus 200 by 400. So what is the value? X by 400 minus 1 by 2, x by 400 minus 1 by 2. See the third subdivision, when the probability that, the probability that daily sales will fall between 300 liter and 500 liter, 300 liter and 500 liter. See the subdivision, 300 liter and 500 liter. See here in this, see in between the value x belongs to 200 to 600, then third sub, x belongs to the interval, x belongs to the interval 600 to infinity, x belongs to the interval 600 to infinity. The distribution function, second subdivision, f of x equal to minus infinity to x f of t into dt equal to integral minus infinity to 200 f of t dt plus integral 200 to 600 to 600 f of t dt plus integral 600 to x 600 to x f of t dt f of t dt. So the values are lies between only to 200 to 600, so it becomes 0 plus integral 200 to 600 k into dt plus this value is also what 0. So 0 plus the value k into k value is what 1 by 400 1 by 400 t, the limit is 200 to 600 plus 0. So it gives see here, it gives 0 plus 1 by 400 upper limit minus lower limit, upper limit minus lower limit, here also 0. So the values lies between only 600 200 to 600 plus 1 by 400 1 by 400 into 400 plus 0. So the value is equal to 1. So f of x equal to capital F of x, that is distribution function, equal to 0 when x less than 200. Then in between value x by 400 minus 1 by 2 when x belongs to the interval, closed interval 200, x belongs to the closed interval 200 comma 600, x belongs to the closed interval 200 comma 600. 1 when x belongs to the interval 1 when x belongs to the interval 600, x belongs to the interval 600 comma infinity, 600 comma infinity. Now we move on to the third subdivision. The probability that daily sales will fall between 300 to 500 liters. So you can take it as P of 300 less than x, 300 less than x less than 500, 300 less than x less than or between 300 less than x less than 500 equal to f of 500, f of, because continuous function, so f of 500 minus f of 500 minus f of 300, f of 500 minus f of 300. So in between value, that is 200 to 600 values, you can take 200 to 600. K value is what 1, k value is 1 by 400, or you can take this value, see here, in between values, in between values x by 400, because x by 400 minus 1 by 2, x by 400, because in between values 200 to 600, x by 400 minus 1 by 2, so you will write it here, x by f of x by 400, x value is what 500 by 400, x value is 500 because this is x value is 500 by 400 minus 1 by 2 minus the same way 300 by 400, 300 by 400 minus 1 by 2. So it gives, cancel the value, 5 by 4, 5 by 4 minus 1 by 2, you cancel the value, minus 3 by 4, minus into minus plus 1 by 2, plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 get cancelled. What is the remaining values? 5 by 3, 5 by 4, 5 by 4 minus 3 by 4, the value is 2 by 4. You cancel the value is what 1 by 2, the value is 1 by 2. I hope you understood, children. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.